more of an advanced salsa class today. If it's a little difficult for you, focus on the footwork and then take the styling and the body movement after. Footwork is always the most important. So we're going to start from 7 by brushing our right leg forward and scooping it. We're going to use this to rotate our hip out to the right and then tap on 1. We're going to cross back grapevine, 2, 3, 4. All the weight should be forward on the right foot on 4. You're going to tornado, 5, 6, 7. When you take that tornado, you want to keep your toe pointed down and you want to do mini circles as if you're drawing those circles with your big toe on the floor. So this is 1, 2. From that tap on 2, you're going to lift your left leg up, ankle to knee, and tap. 3, you can either use your right hand or your left, whichever is easier for you. 4, you're going to bring it down. 5. So let's take a basic so we can get into that scoop. We go 1, 2, 3, 5. Here we go. 1, tap, 3, cross back, 5, 6, tornado. 1, 2, 3, up on 5, 6, 7. Again, 5, 6, 7, basic 1, 2, 3, 5, scooping right, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Now after you take that 5, when you tap your right foot down, you're going to press your hips back, 6, lengthening through that right leg, and then stepping forward on the left on 7 in a slight angle. We're going to prep for a left turn on 1, 2, 3. You're going to spot the back of your room and turn 1.5 times, 5, 6, 7. So now you're facing the back of your room. From here, you're going to take a half right turn forward. So step together, prep on 2. You're going to turn to the front 3. All the weight should be on the right foot. You're going to cross 4, Susie Q, 5, 6, 7, angle 8. We're flaring and we angle for that 8. Let's take it from the left turn. We angle 1, 2, spot the back, 5, 6, and on the left, half turn to the right, cross 4, 5, 6, 7, tap 8. From the top, 5, 6, basic first, 1, 2, 3, 5, here we go, 1, 2, tap, 5, tornado, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, left turn 3, 5, 6, 7, half to the right, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. From here, we're going to cross 1, 2, 3, taking the same thing on the other side, 5, 6, 7. You're going to cross again on 1, 2, tap 3. You're going to turn to your left on 4 on the left foot. And now we're going to take a diamond step, 5, down 6, 7, slide 1. For the diamond step, if you weren't moving or rotating, you're going to step out to the side onto your right foot. You're going to bend down, so you want to bend your knees, and you're going to bring your feet ankle to ankle, but keep the heel on that left foot off. You're going to press and lift. As you press and lift, you're going to lift your left foot off the floor, but because you're rotating, you're going to leave your left foot behind, so you end up in this cross around knee level. So now let's try it facing the correct direction. So we go to our left foot on 4. You're going to turn and face the back of your room on 5. Weight is on the right foot. You're going to bend down as you collect on 6. Make sure you keep most of your weight on your right foot. You're going to turn to your left, facing the front of your room, 7. Now from here, you're going to slide to the left. 1, 2, 3. We're going to tap 5, 6, 7. Let's take that again. We go to our left on 4. We diamond step 5, down 6, turn 7, slide 2, 3, tap 6, 7. If you want to take some arm styling, you can take whichever arm styling you prefer. But the one I'm doing is I'm going to take my left hand on top of my right hand. I'm going to slide the left hand across the arm as I open the right arm out. So this is a quick motion across as we take our slide to our left. Facing the front, arms come up, left on top of the right, and slide. All right, let's try it from the top. 5, 6, basic first. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, we scoop. 1, 2, 3, cross, 6, tornado. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, left turn, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, cross, 2, 3, cross, 6, 7, 1, 2, tap and step, 5, 6, 7, slide, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Couple tips. So this has a faster section once you finish the half turn facing the front. So you want to be prepared for that 4. When we go 1, 2, 3, make sure your chest and your hips are over that right leg. So this 4 is easy and you don't have to move and cross at the same time, which will make you feel a little bit slower. So let's try it just from here. We're facing the back of our room. We take a half turn to the right. 1, 2, turn, cross, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is where it slows down a little. We cross 1, 2, 3, cross, 6, 7, 1, 2, tap, turn, 5, 6, 7, slide, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7.